Let's go. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous.
Disclaimer: all images and video footage shown in this video are for academic discussion only. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. This is for educational purpose only. Hello mga kasimyel! Muling nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod. It's me, Francel Vlog. For today's video, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang isa na naman na gabay. Gabay para sa ating paboritong sport. Gabay na nagmula sa sinaunang paniniwala at palagian na gumaganap. Gabay patungkol sa mga masiswerte at mga malas na kulay base sa petsa sa ating kalendaryo. Maaaring maraming magtaas ng kilay sa bawat isa sa inyo dyan, sapagkat alam naman nating lahat na sa bawat kaalaman o mga sekreto na ipinababatid ng sino man sa atin ay may mga kumukontra o taliwas ang mga pananaw o paniniwala. Ngunit sa kabila nito, gayon pa man, nais ko pa rin itong ibahagi sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. At doon naman sa mga nakakaalam na maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Disclaimer: itong video na inyong mapapanood ay isang gabay lamang nagmula sa mga sinaunang paniniwala. Maayos na pagkukondisyon, good pointing at tamang diskarte pa rin ang nagsisilbing susi tungo sa tagumpay.
To give up, if I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up.
At heto na mga kasimyal, ang gabay mula sa sinauna o matandang paniniwala base sa petsa sa ating kalendaryo. Ang mga masuswerte o malalakas na kulay ngayong April 6 ay ang mga sumusunod. Meron tayong top 8 mga kasimyal, at ang ating top 8 ay ang
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo. Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
At iyan mga kasimyal, ang mga swerte na kulay ngayong April 6. At tulad mga kasimyal ng ating laging ginagawa, bago matapos ang ating video, isa-shoutout natin ang mga nag-comment sa ating mga previous videos. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat.
Change, you can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So ayan mga kasinyal, natapos na naman ang ating tapok na video sa araw na ito. Sa susunod na video mga kasinyal, abangan nyo sapagkat itatampok naman natin ang mga malas o mahihina na kulay sa April 6. Mga kasinyal, pakaabangan nyo yan. At kung bago ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel kasinyal at gusto mo ng ganitong topic o uri ng usapan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na aking ini-upload. So mga kasinyal, once again, I'm Franz Vlog signing off. Thank you so much for watching.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they
Hey
hear me
guys,
now.
do you like the video? If yes, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really means a lot to me. Thank you.